Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified investment advisor. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to explain how we are going to make such a great intraday profit um, in the option trading. In intraday itself, that gives me such a great profit. So that I'm going to explain you here right now. So only if you are following the candlesticks pattern, so that will give you such a clear information about the market. So if you are ready to learn that patterns, or if you are ready to keep watching that pattern, that will always generate you such a great kind of information where the market is going to be react based on that candlesticks pattern. So that I was discussing here right now. So I was taking the stock info edge, right? So let's follow what kind of pattern it forms and how it moves and what is the profitability which is generated based on the candlesticks pattern. And right now we have more subscribers and lot of comments. I was happy to that, lot of engagement. So thanks for being with me, right? So now we'll see the candlesticks pattern, how it works on this stocks today. So and I will show you how I booked a profit and what is the profit, everything I was showing in this video, no problem. Okay, so first we will learn so what kind of trade which you have present. The first one here, it forms a spinning top, right? I have already updated the spinning top candle pattern. So where the spinning top candle it forms at this point around September, so where this is broken the high, here the stop loss is not yet broken, and after 5 days the stock rallied, right? After 5 days the stock was rallied very big, right? So we don't accept. So but how we can effectively do the trade? So we have advanced strategies to manage with the edging strategies that we can apply at this point. And the second one, another pattern which is forms a dark cloud cover at this point. It is not exactly, but it is looks like a dark cloud cover. So there is a sell entry, but still the sell is not valid. So we don't get any opportunity at this sell entry. So still that buy is continuous. And again, 2 days we form a spinning top kind of candle. 2 days we form a spinning top kind of candle. If you are checking that yesterday, it may be trigger your entry and trigger your loss. But we already holding a position from here. And today market is broken above that previous spinning top high, but these spinning tops were not formed at the highest level, but this spinning top were formed at the highest level. When you compare the previous one, as our scanner, these spinning tops were not scanned, but this spinning top will scan because this is what a monthly high, right, on 1st of September. So that is what the high of that particular stock. So once it is broken that level, we have the stop loss here, and now the target is moving big. Hope you understand. So on the spinning top of kind of candle which forms on the 1st of September, so that may be a highest level for the month as well as lowest level for the month. If you are going to take a spinning top of candle, so as per our scanner, let's show you the spinning top. Bottom and top both it may be present, right? Let's check it out on the spinning top on 1st August. 1 2 3 4, don't find here spinning top bottom. So maybe when you know the candlesticks pattern, if you are playing with that candlesticks, so you will find out where there is a just a minute has spinning candles, right? Your spinning top at bottom, right? Spinning top at bottom, daily spinning top at the top. So we'll check it out whether it is forms on 1st of September, 3rd, and this should be the 31st. Here 1st September. I think this is not find out. and maybe the closing price variation. Okay, no problem. So it looks like a spinning top. So you know how what is the spinning top candle exactly. So where it is forms the spinning top on the first of this month. So the high for the day is 6,265. Whenever it breaks above that level, so we are going to take the long with the stop loss of 6,250. After that, the market never reached that stop loss, right? Never reaching your stop loss. Meanwhile, we find out some 3-4 candlesticks pattern that forms. But what happened here? Once it is next day itself, it gives you entry. But now today it reaches very big, and not only a big movement. So it was giving you such a great kind of return. Even the trend is continue on the stock. So there is a continuation pattern here. Just keep on moving up, and again here it forms a reversal pattern, but there is no reversal opportunity. It keeps continuous trend. So simply the candlesticks pattern which will tell you where there is a market is reversal or entry point. Everything we can easily find out by based on the single candlesticks pattern. That was very powerful. So you are trying to learn and practice with that. So you also trying to make such a great opportunity. So what we have done the trade. So the breakout point is around 6,273, and overall all the high is broken today. So we have taken 6,200 call option. Now it is trading around somewhere around 624, but now trading with buyers bid ask spread. 10 rupees is the bid ask spread, because it is right now it is a deep in the money, because current market price is 6,680 almost. From here it is near about 500 points up. So that is why the gap between the premium. Okay, so until unless it is trading good, right? We have entered somewhere around 470 today morning. So not by previously I'm holding. I just taken the position by today, and the same day it generated me a 100 point in options. That is quite good, and such a great trade where we have taken today. So taken 2.250 quantity, and making a 25k as a profit. And another my student also who taken the same trade, and he was booking somewhere around 12.5k in intraday. 12 point, almost this pattern which pays me and which paid my students who attend my class. I have shared that call, right? So we made almost somewhere around 37k profit along this single trade. Yesterday we did with the trade in Jindal Steel, that is we are holding by positional. That is also gives me a 54,000 rupees profit. But now this trade, such a great movement which happened. So I was taken such a good profit. Almost I was exited by 570, and after that it moves towards 630, even another 60 point. So I don't worry about that, because what we have expected, that was achievable, and we done the trade and we booked the profit. Now we are enjoying the profit. I hope when you are following the patterns, that always give you such a great kind of information where the market is going to take the reversal or take the continuation based on the simple candlesticks pattern. That will always provide you such a great information. But we need to know where it is happening, and daily if you are practicing with the candlesticks pattern, sure you are going to easily find out the trend as well as the reversal, right? And previously we seen a lot of stocks, right? Somewhere a lot of stocks we are taken. MPSs and not given entry. HCL Tech also we are taken. It was given entry and it will slightly higher. And Jindal still is trading on the same. These are the stocks which you are taken for a previous trades, right? So likewise, so based on the candlesticks pattern, what it forms. So if you are following and focusing the candlesticks pattern, sure you are going to make money. I hope this may be a useful video, and how I am following with my candlesticks pattern, that was giving me such a great profit on my intraday, even positional trade. I mostly preferable to trade in positional. And if you're ready to join my paid classes, so you can also welcome to join my paid classes. There I'm going to teach you some advanced strategies, like how we can effectively manage with the aging. So that is what important. We are not, so these are the trades which I am taken by risky trade, and I'm taken a naked risk. But as our classes, so it is aging and protected way we can do the trading, that I'm going to explain on that. I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and if you have any questions you can just message here. Right, Nagpuri. Again, still it is moving higher, right? And if you are going to check on hourly basis, I think an hourly chart I find out an opportunity on 15 minutes, I think. Yes, 15 minutes here, opening positive, and then it started moving and up and up. So right now it is struggling at the highest level. So if you are focusing the 15 minutes, there is a inside out up. So once it is broken, so it moves. The candlesticks pattern which tells us clear information where I'm going to buy, where I'm going to sell. Thank you. That's about this video. Thank you for watching, and keep subscribe. When we are reaching 3000 subscribers, so I'm going to have the surprise to all my subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly make subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay.